In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Bitwarden your default password manager in Microsoft Edge. By the end of this guide, you'll have Bitwarden efficiently managing your passwords while browsing with Edge. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to visit Bitwarden's website. Head over to bitwarden.com. Bitwarden is renowned for being one of the best password managers for business and personal use, and it's completely open source, which makes it a highly secure choice for your password management needs. Once you're there, familiarize yourself with the website if it's your first time. You'll find options for individuals and businesses, both benefiting from Bitwarden's strong security features. Now, look towards the top right corner of the website and click on the Login button. You will be prompted to enter your Bitwarden account credentials. If you haven't yet set up an account, you will need to do so to access your secure vault. For existing users, simply enter your email and master password to proceed. If you're new, registering is straightforward, and you can protect your account with a step-by-step guide provided by Bitwarden itself. After logging in, you're going to navigate straight to your Bitwarden vault. Your vault is where all your passwords, secure notes, and personal information are stored. It's the core of your Bitwarden experience, safely encrypting and managing your data. Ensure your vault is up to date with your latest login information to make sure everything syncs smoothly. Next, you need to download the Bitwarden browser extension for Microsoft Edge. Start by going to the download section on the Bitwarden website. This section has various clients and extensions available to match your device and browser needs. Being able to access Bitwarden directly from your browser is crucial, as it provides on-the-spot password management capabilities. Now look for the browser extension option. Click on it, specifically looking for the one compatible with Microsoft Edge. This will redirect you to the Microsoft Edge add-on store, where you can easily install the Bitwarden extension. Press the Install button and wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, the Bitwarden icon should appear near your browser's address bar, ready for use. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Bitwarden as your default password manager in Microsoft Edge. With Bitwarden now integrated, enjoy seamless access to your passwords, ensuring that your online accounts are secure and easily accessible. Remember, having a strong and unique password for each account drastically improves your online security, and Bitwarden is here to help automate this process for you. Thank you for tuning in, and happy browsing!